Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I'll show you how you can apply a lens protector to your phone. So I'll be using one that came provided with this screen protector in general. So it's like an entire pack of two different tempered glasses along with the screen protector. Now this box is actually empty because I have it already right here. I did apply the tempered glass to the device already, so this is the second part where I'm applying only the screen protector. Now in here there was this little package like this one, which I did rip open, and inside you have a microfiber cloth and you have stickers along with the little wet wipes. Now if you have already been using your phone for a little bit, I do recommend using the wet wipes. This one is basically brand new, came in today, so I don't really feel the need to use it. The reason I recommend using it if you already had it for a few days is because obviously you will be touching your phone and a bunch of your finger oil might be settling on the glass itself, and this might affect how well the adhesive will hold onto the glass right here. So that's why I recommend using them. They will have some alcohol in them, the wipes, so alcohol will get rid of all that finger oils from the glass and just make it be super nice, clean, and the adhesive should stick better to it. But like I said, mine is basically brand new, so I don't really need to use it. I'm just gonna give it a rough wipe right here to get rid of any kind of smudges that might be on the lenses, and just dust. Dust is primarily the thing that I'll be worrying about. I will give it just like a wipe around. There we go. As you can see, there is our protection. This is a single piece. It's not like three different rings. It's just a single one that you place over. There we go. So I'm going to peel that off right now. Now when applying this, you want to just kind of lower it down, and I'm seeing something here, hopefully. This is on the, yep, it's on the top. So you want to lower it down, and you'll need to wiggle it around just so it drops between the lenses. Once it has, as you can see, it's on there. Apply pressure. There we go. Now we can just wipe it off. And there we go. And it's now perfect. So this was a simple video on how you can apply your lens protection. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.